Get ready to elevate your outdoor cuisine game. Today, we're diving into the world of camping cooking gear that'll turn your campsite into a five-star wilderness kitchen. Don't waste money on disposable utensils. The Muncher from Full Windsor is reusable cutlery made completely from titanium. At just 0.8 Oz, it conveniently fits in any pack or bag. This sturdy spork includes a knife, peeler, bottle opener, can opener, and more eating accessories. Carry the Muncher while hiking or camping and you'll always have durable dining tools on hand. It comes in a handy recycled polyester pouch. Next up, we've got the ultra-portable Bullen Camping Cookware Set. This lightweight bundle of pots, pans, bowls, and utensils is about to revolutionize your meal prep in the great outdoors. These pots and pans conduct heat quickly for fast and even cooking. And check out the ergonomic bakelite handles that keep your fingers burn-free when cooking over a campfire or stove. Safety first. Durable aluminum pots and pans with non-stick coating make cooking a breeze. So much functionality in one bundle. You'll be the envy of the campground. Cook like a pro on any campout with the Adventure Chef Knife and Utensil Set from Messermeister. It includes 2 folding knives, a folding steak knife, fork and spoon, plus a peeler tool. The ergonomic handles and tough German steel blades equip you for culinary excellence outdoors. All the pieces neatly pack into the included waxed canvas carry case. Elevate your camping cuisine with this compact cutlery set. Meet NOMAD, the ultimate grill and smoker designed for outdoor enthusiasts who crave live fire flavor on their adventures. This 28-pound powerhouse features a sleek cast aluminum construction, delivering over 400 square inches of grilling space in a compact package. From searing steaks to smoking salmon, NOMAD's patented design ensures precision control, with features like magnetic vent controls and an integrated thermometer. The cambered grates even double as veggie baskets for added convenience. Wherever your journey takes you, NOMAD is the reliable companion for your live fire cooking needs. All right, coffee enthusiasts, let's talk about the Staresso Classic Portable Espresso Maker. This isn't just a coffee maker, it's your ticket to barista-level brews anywhere you go. It comes with a manual grinder giving you total control over your grind size. Want a hot espresso? You got it. Craving a cold brew? Just 2 minutes and it's yours. The whole setup is built like a tank with high-quality stainless steel, so it'll be your trusty coffee companion for years to come. And get this, it's not just for coffee. Teas, other brews, you name it. With 24 precise grind settings and low-temp grinding to preserve those delicate flavors, you're in for a taste sensation. It's not just a coffee maker, it's your portable flavor lab. Brew up adventure with the Fire Maple Antarctic Camping Kettle, your go-to companion for hot drinks and campsite cuisine. Built to withstand the heat of the moment with stainless steel grit, it's like your reliable campfire buddy, always there when you need a warm-up. Its compact size makes it easy to carry in your backpack, while the open-fire safe design allows for versatile use over campfires or camp stoves. Compact and fire-ready, it's the kettle that keeps your outdoor kitchen running smoothly. Dine in style with the EATI Antibacterial Multitool, the ultimate utensil for gourmet camp cuisine. Made from pure titanium with a knack for repelling microbes, it's not just a tool, it's your ticket to safe and savory meals under open skies. Combining a knife, fork, spoon, and additional tools like a fire starter and bottle opener, it simplifies outdoor dining without compromising on functionality. From slicing to sipping, it combines form with function for dining al fresco, no matter the menu. Tired of coordinating group camp meals? Simplify solo outdoor cooking with the compact, versatile Me-Time Barbecue Grill. This all-in-one unit lets you barbecue, fry, boil, braise, simmer, or smoke. Perfect for whipping up everything from breakfast to dinner. The split grill means you can even grill your burger while heating soup at the same time. Durable stainless steel contains mess while cooking open flame-free. When you're done, cool it fast by adding water to the vented base. Me-Time handles all your open-air cooking needs in one compact portable package. Hot drinks taste better from titanium. Stay hydrated on the go with Valtcan's military-grade titanium canteen set. It includes a 1100 ml canteen with secure cap and 2 stackable cups. Everything packs neatly into the included MOLLE carrying case. Durable titanium construction keeps the full set ultra-lightweight at just 14 Oz total. Fill up the canteen from fresh water sources and drink cleanly using the cups, or cook out its pure contents from the uncoated titanium cups. No metallic taste. A reliable hydration system for hiking, camping, travel, and more. Cutting-edge Jetboil Genesis Base Camp Stove delivers gourmet camp cuisine by merging high-performance boiling with complete cooking versatility. At its core lies an advanced burner system shooting robust flame from unique propane regulators. Output adjustment lets you precisely simmer entrees or blast intense heat that boils over a liter of water in just 3 minutes flat. But unlike JetBoil's specialized models, Genesis matches with their complete cookware expansion lineup from fry pans to 2.5-liter stockpots. Prep a 4-course dinner on compact lightweight appliances, while their specialized pot stabilizers, insulation, and wind guards contain heat. Folding legs allow ultra-compact storage. An attachable windscreen and compact folding design make Genesis ideal for multi-day adventures. I'm getting fired up just thinking about the Adventure Seeka's epic grilling setup. This rugged folding campfire grill serves up 24x 12 inches of ample cooking space for the whole gang. Flip between the griddle and grill sides to cook up anything. Steaks, burgers, eggs, and you name it. Legs set up in seconds. No tools required. Then carry it anywhere. Those campsite cookout vibes are calling. The EATI Tundra 35 cooler is a tough cookie. This isn't just a box for your drinks. It's like a mini fridge you can take anywhere. Want to know how much it holds? Try 21 cans. That's a lot of refreshment. It's got a neat basket inside too. Perfect for keeping your sandwiches high and dry. It keeps things cold for ages. The lid locks tight, so no worries about spills if it tips over. Whether you're heading to the beach or the mountains, the EATI Tundra 35 is ready to chill with you. Let's fire up some campsite cuisine with the JetBoil Minimo stove. This compact stove cranks water to a boil in just over 2 minutes. Less fuel, faster heating. We're talking a serious cooking game changer. You can adjust the temperature from low to high for different cooking needs. Say goodbye to overcooked camp meals. The cup and spoon angle makes stirring and eating comfortable. No more spilling food everywhere. The easy starter button lights the stove without matches. With the Minimo, you can cook tasty meals without any fuss. It's easy to use and portable. This stove will make your camping meals way more fun. So leave the dehydrated meals behind and level up your outdoor cuisine with the JetBoil Minimo. Take campfire convenience to the next level with the revolutionary Winterwell Flat Fold Fire Pit. Precision engineered from durable 304 stainless steel, this lightweight fire pit resists corrosion and sets up anywhere in seconds thanks to its ingenious flat folding design. When it's time to move on, the entire pit packs flat for easy portability. For hassle-free campfires with zero site impact, upgrade your outdoor experience with the smart space-saving design of the Winterwell Flat Fold Fire Pit. Fire up your appetite with the Wolf and Grizzly Grill, designed to elevate your outdoor dining experience. It accommodates various cooking styles, from slow roasting over coals to quick searing over flames. Portable, adjustable, and ready for any culinary challenge, it's like the Swiss Army knife of grills. Perfect for grilling with friends or family on the go. It's your versatile grill solution for camping, backpacking, or backyard barbecues, ensuring delicious meals wherever adventure takes you. Organization enthusiasts will love the System Aluminum Container Camping Box. This customizable box can be utilized as a storage container and expanded table. With 11 different custom parts available, including front panels, side grips, and extension tables, you can create your own original setup. It's stackable, easy to handle, and perfect for outdoor lovers, campers, and sports enthusiasts. We have the Storesso Discovery 2 electric coffee grinder. This innovative grinder offers 48 precise settings, ensuring uniform grinding for any brewing method. Its all-metal body and precision CNC-machined stainless steel conical burr deliver consistent results. With an extended battery life and compact design, it's perfect for coffee enthusiasts everywhere. The Haytrip folding camping table is no ordinary flat surface. It's a portable command center for all your outdoor adventures. With adaptable height and built-in storage with molly straps, it's sturdy enough for 66 pounds of gear yet light at 13 pounds. Whether scaling peaks or enjoying a backyard BBQ, this table adapts quickly, transforming your outdoor experience. Built ready to deliver flickering ambiance anywhere friends gather, Ignic's freestanding stainless steel fire can creates an instant campfire atmosphere at a moment's notice. It is easy to use. Simply connect the included 5-foot hose to standard propane tanks, strike the ignition, dial in your ideal heat level, and let the conversation around dancing flames unfold. The mesh sides of the fire can create a mesmerizing 360-degree light show, ensuring that everyone can enjoy the flickering ambiance. The locking lid makes it easy to transport the fire can to your next gathering, whether it's a picturesque sunset or a late-night get-together. Now, if you enjoyed this tour of camping culinary gear, hit that subscribe button. And if you've got a favorite piece of camping cooking equipment we didn't mention, drop it in the comments below. Let's keep this outdoor cooking conversation sizzling. Until next time, happy camping.